on my phone, not my actual camera, so I didn't have time to grab it. I just ran down, finally getting somewhere. Let's have a look. So there you go, 400 kilowatts, around 5 PSI. He's saying we can get more out of it. It's only 5 PSI. Look at that. Ooh. This is part one. It's very short. It says it's our Silverado build. This is before Dyno run. This is the results of a Silverado driving straight in, throw it on the rollers, we have a look, and this is our base. So we have a look at our standard power, our standard torque, and we're going to build from that. In this video, we're going to go and we're going to manufacture a custom set of headers, custom set of high flow cats, a twin bimodal exhaust system. We're ripping the engine out. We've already built one. Building an engine, taking the old donk out, putting a new LT in there. We're going to break the build process down. We've got the blower that's come in from the States. I couldn't get one big enough in Australia. I had to go to the US, bring that thing in. We're using HP tuners to flash the factory ECU. We had to send the computer off to the States, get that broken into so we can actually tune it. We've added another 8 auxiliary injectors, which we're using fuel control from the Unichip ECU. So we're using that to drive those auxiliary injectors. This is an awesome project. And I love the fact that the customer said to me, Paul, I pretend it's your car. You have an unlimited amount of money. Let's go. What are you going to do? And this is exactly what I come up with. I'm pretty impressed. I think it sounds really, really, really tough. I've already been out filming it on the dyno. So you're at the start. This gets so good. There's 5 episodes, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 episodes. I hope you enjoy this content. This is a before power run, bit of a sneak preview, and then we're going to get stuck into it. So enjoy. So there you go, the before run on this Silverado. So stock engine, he's put some wheels and tires on it. Everything else is completely stock. Obviously, aside from the body stuff, the running gear, completely stock. That was the before run. Now, we built a car before for this customer, and then he came to me and said, listen, I love what you blokes did with my Raptor. Like that Raptor he's got is just like next level. He's ticked the box of everything, and I wanted to do the same with this. Now, the tricky thing was, you know, we're going to build an engine for it, for finding the blower. So I managed to get a 3-litre blower from the States, air shipped it here, so we can put it on there. So we got the biggest blower that we can get for one of these Chevy Silverados going on it, so we can tune it up. So that was a good baseline. That gives us an idea what this thing is producing at the wheels with the current setup with the wheels and tires. So just under 230 kilowatts. I can't wait to sink our teeth into it. You'll see the engine build, you see the blower getting fitted. You're going to see everything in this video. You're going to love it. And if you've got one of these, you're going to want to do it yourself because it's going to come up so great. I love projects where I get to treat it like it's my own car when I quote it, and I get to put on nothing but the best. There's no compromise here. Everything we are doing is the best of the best. If you've got one of these, even if you don't want to spend the money on it, but you're just curious about it, this is a video you're going to want to check out. You're going to love it. So Richo.
Yeah, brother.
The man behind the wheel there.
That's it, man.
What's your impression of it? Like, I mean, it's completely before run. But
yeah, that's right. We've done plenty of them before. It made basically this similar sort of power as what we've seen. I mean, realistically, most of the ones that I do tune have got bigger wheels and tires anyway. It's an interesting aesthetic. It's there's definitely in typical. I don't know if we're saying his name or not, but in this customer's definite style, he's bought every possible aftermarket aesthetic accessory. If anyone knows this customer, you would have known what his Raptor was like. But yeah, I think this will be a great fun build. I think it's going to be it's going to come up with some serious power, I reckon. Are you filming Mark build that LT block and things like that for it? And
yeah, he's nearly finished it.
nearly finished it, and the big blower and stuff like that, and custom Dynomotive exhaust. So it's going to go from the dyno now. As you just said, we did our base runs, and repeatable as well. So we'll put on the hoist. We're going to have a look at what we can do as far as an exhaust goes, and pretty sure we're going to do it all in-house from the heads all the way back to the tailpipes.
That's exactly what we're doing.
Perfect.
Get excited because it's going to be fun.
I'm excited, man. I've just got a husky voice, my porn star voice.
That's the end of episode 1. I hope you see what we're dealing with now. So that's the whole point of doing episode 1. Episode 2 is where it's at. This is where we get stuck into it. I can't wait for you to have a look at that because boom, so good. So make sure you subscribe. Episode 2, I'm making live right now. Get amongst it.